In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions on CapCut PC. Captions are an essential tool for making your videos more accessible and engaging. Whether you're adding subtitles for dialogue, creating on-screen descriptions, or highlighting important information, captions can make your content stand out. CapCut is a beginner-friendly video editing software that simplifies this process, so even if you're new to editing, you'll be able to follow along. If you don't already have CapCut installed on your PC, you can find a link to download it in the description below. Now let's dive in and get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. This software will serve as the foundation for all the editing we'll be doing today, including adding captions. Once the program is open, you'll see the home screen. Here, click on the Create New button. This is the option you'll use anytime you want to start a new project from scratch. It sets up a blank slate for your work. When prompted to choose a template or canvas, select Blank. A blank canvas gives you a completely fresh workspace without any pre-applied edits or styles, allowing you full control over your project. Next, you'll need to import your video file into CapCut. You can do this in one of three ways. Either drag and drop your video file directly into the software, use the import buttons you'll see on the screen, or browse through your computer to select the file. Any of these methods will ensure your video is loaded and ready for editing. Once your video has been imported, place it on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll sync your captions to match the timing of your video. Simply drag your video file onto the timeline, and it will appear as a visual sequence that you can work with. Now, locate the text button on the right side of the interface. Clicking this will open all the text options you'll need to start adding captions. CapCut offers several text styles to choose from. Depending on the look you're going for, you can click Add Heading for bold text that stands out, add body text for a more subtle appearance, or select one of the trending text options if you'd like to use a pre-designed style with animations. These choices allow you to customize your captions to suit your video's tone and style. Once you've selected the type of text you want, type your desired caption into the text box. This could be anything from dialogue to on-screen descriptions, or even just key pieces of information you want your audience to notice. After adding your text, adjust the caption's duration directly on the timeline. To do this, click on the edges of the text bar that appears in the timeline. Drag the edges to the right to make the caption appear on screen for a longer period, or drag them to the left to shorten its display time. This step is crucial for syncing your captions with the audio and visuals in your video. With the timing sorted, it's time to position the caption on the screen. In the preview window, click and drag the caption box to place it where you want it to appear. Common positions include the top, bottom, or sides of the screen, but the key is to make sure your caption doesn't block any important visuals in the video. Once everything is in place, take a moment to review your work. Play back the video to check the timing and placement of your captions. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can go back and refine the timing or reposition the text box as needed. Feel free to experiment with these adjustments until everything syncs perfectly and looks polished. And that's it. You've successfully added captions to your video using CapCut on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.